Hey guys, today is Tuesday, January 8th, and I wanted to start off today's video with a grocery haul. I know I love watching grocery hauls, like, myself. I don't know what it is, like, even if I'm like not dieting or like not trying to eat healthy, I really like watching other people's grocery hauls. It inspires me to like make a list and like go to the store and like eat really good clean food. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I got a ton of stuff. I was just going to give you guys a quick little background of like why I'm doing this grocery haul. First of all, excuse my appearance. I just got back from the gym. I did a pretty intense like weightlifting workout, so I feel really good. And then I did click list. So if you guys have Kroger near you, you know that they do click list, which is like the best thing ever. So basically you like order all of your groceries online and then you choose a time frame to pick it up and you go and call and pick it up and bam, there it is. And the reason why I wanted to show you guys this grocery haul and even like do this week in my life sort of thing is because I know it's the new year and all of us have like goals and resolutions and all this stuff, and a lot of them involve like health and fitness, and at least I know mine do usually. So I wanted to pop on here because I know that you guys, probably a lot of you, have the same sort of resolutions and goals for the new year. And I have been using, so I actually I'm doing like a free trial of the Tone and Sculpt app, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to purchase it because it is really nice. Basically you get a 12-week gym plan, which is like strength training, like weightlifting. But if you don't have any gym equipment, you don't have a gym membership, they have like an at-home guide too where you can just do workouts at home. So it's really nice. It includes the 12-week gym guide, and then it includes your 12-week meal plan. I switched out some of the recipes just because I am a little bit of like a picky eater. I mean, I actually wouldn't even say I'm picky, just certain things like I don't really want to eat, like I don't know, and it's easy to make substitutions, so that's like totally fine. And what I like about this meal plan is it's not crazy elaborate stuff. It basically just like tells you what to eat, like sort of when to eat it. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys what I got. It's a lot of stuff because like I said, I'm starting fresh with this like clean eating. I've done this before, so it's not like I'm like diving into like things that I like know nothing about or things that I don't typically eat. I eat all of this stuff, and like I said, the things that were in the meal plan that I was like, I'm not gonna eat that, I'm literally gonna buy it and let it go bad, I didn't purchase those things. If it was something like that, I always made substitutions. So, and I will tell you guys that in the grocery haul. Okay, so here is everything that I ended up picking up. Like I said, it is a ton of stuff, but I basically had nothing here. So I picked up a lot of stuff the first go around. And then like next week, I obviously won't have to pick up as much. So I will start over here with the dry stuff. So first I just got Skinny Pop popcorn, the butter kind. I just love Skinny Pop. It's a good snack that is very low calorie. Then I got these 100 calorie pack almonds. Obviously I could have just gotten a big bag of almonds, but I wanted to be quick and easy. Then I got two different kinds of rice. So I got this basmati rice. I always like Uncle Ben's ready rice. Sorry you guys. My dogs are over there like being crazy. Just knocked over a box of dog bones to try to get one out. Bad. So yeah, I picked up this Uncle Ben's ready rice in basmati. I don't really know what basmati rice is, but it was on the meal plan, so I picked up that. But since I've never had that before, I also picked up the Uncle Ben's natural whole grain instant brown rice. I got these actually when we were on the road trip back from Charlotte this weekend. These are veggie chips. I just wanted to mention them because I absolutely love these. Another great snack that is like a healthier option. They taste exactly like Pringles and they are much healthier, so I love those. Then I picked up these Think Thin high protein bars. These are the creamy peanut butter. I have not tried these. I've tried the brownie crunch version, but I wanted to try the peanut butter and I needed some high protein bars, which is exactly what they are. So I've heard good things about the Think Thin brand. The meal plan also called for whole wheat penne or some sort of pasta, so I got that. And then I also got this Prego lower calorie traditional sauce. I mean, it's just a basic pasta sauce, but I wanted it to be a little lower in calories and a little lower in sodium. So then I picked up these pita pockets. They are by the Kangaroo brand, apparently. I didn't know. I just searched pita pockets and picked the first ones I found. These are the whole wheat with honey pre-cut pockets. So this is a substitution I made in the meal plan. The meal plan called for like turkey deli sandwiches, and I'm just not a big fan of that. So what I'm gonna do with these is just put like grilled chicken, a little bit of buffalo sauce, lettuce, maybe some cheese, things like that in here. Or you could do like a balsamic dressing with some chicken and lettuce, something like that. I figured these would be very useful for lunch. Then here in the back, I just picked up some Frosted Cheerios. Actually, in the meal plan, it does call for cereal sometimes, which I was actually surprised by. So this is my favorite cereal. So instead of the cornflakes that it suggested, I picked up this, which might be a little worse than the cornflakes. I'm not sure, but I prefer those. Then I picked up the quick 1 minute oats. These are just the Kroger brand 100% whole grain. This thing is huge. I did not realize it was this big. Holy crap. This is going to last me literally forever, like my whole life. Oh my god, that is humongous. And I don't even eat oatmeal that much, but it was in the meal plan, so I really want to start eating that a lot more for breakfast because I don't know, I just need to start eating a more balanced breakfast. So basically I'm just going to cook the oatmeal, add some peanut butter, and eat some fruit with it. Also, I'm not wearing my rings, of course, because I just got back from the gym. We have Nature Valley granola cups. These are the best. These are the almond butter ones. Not in the meal plan because I'm sure they're not that great for you, but me and my mom love these, so I just wanted to pick up another box of those. Then some healthier granola bar type situation. Right here is the Nature Valley Sweet and Salty Nut Granola Bar Value Pack. So I think these are pretty good. I mean, they definitely still have sugar in them, but they do have like peanuts and almonds, and they are a decent granola bar if you just like really have to like quickly run out of the house and don't have time to make breakfast. So I picked up those. A couple random things. I ended up picking up this Think Thin bar. So this one is just the sea salt almond chocolate. I don't know, I just thought it looked good and I wanted to try one of the plant-based ones, and this one looked good. And then I also picked up this flapjacked Mighty Muffin peanut butter flavor in case, which like I said, I did not realize that was such a huge tub of oats, but if I'm ever in a rush, I can just pop this in the microwave. So then for our last few dry stuff, I picked up some low sodium rice cakes. So then I also got the Dave's Killer Bread organic bread, 21 whole grains and seeds. I tried to get the whole grain or like the 100% whole grain, but they were out of it, so they substituted this, which is totally fine with me. I love the Dave's Killer Bread. It's so good and very, very healthy for you. Yeah, as I was saying about the meal plan, so it's like 2,000-ish calories. It's like 1,900. You work out 5 days a week, strength training, and then of course it incorporates like cardio sometimes in there. But yeah, and you eat 5 times a day, but they're not huge meals. So like one of the meals is usually like a protein shake or a couple of these rice cakes and peanut butter as like a snack, or like fruit and yogurt. So it's not like huge meals. And then of course you will have like 2 bigger meals. Anyways, as for frozen stuff, I got these cooked shrimp. They have the tail off and they are already peeled and deveined. These actually look really nice. I've gotten frozen shrimp before and they're like very small and like weird. So I actually think these will be very good. And I got these, I plan on putting these like in with my pasta or something. I think that would be a nice switch up for protein. My favorite ice cream, the Enlightened brand. I already have the peanut butter flavor, but I wanted to pick up the mint chocolate chip because it's another one of my favorites. And also, my Kroger only sells 2 flavors, and they are the mint chocolate chip and the peanut butter. So I picked up the mint chocolate chip. Okay, then I got this Ensure Max protein shake. I ordered protein online, but it hasn't gotten here yet. And this meal plan calls for a ton of protein shakes, like sometimes 2 a day. And I just like, I would get bored if it was just plain protein or like the same flavor. So I thought these would be good to just grab and go. So if you guys have tried these, let me know what you think of them, because I don't know. I'm like very, very, very skeptical, and I know that these are probably nowhere near as good as mixing your own protein shake, but for like fast, like on the go times, I figured these might work. Then I just got a ½ gallon of skim milk for oatmeal and cereal. I picked up these baby Brussels sprouts. They're lightly sauced with butter, which is probably not the best thing in the world. Just a switch up for like greens. I got these. I love these, and they're so much easier than cooking like fresh Brussels sprouts. Then I picked up a thing of strawberries just for my oatmeal and like cereal and stuff. Oh wait, no. oatmeal and yogurt. Then I just got 6 large eggs. Over here I picked up a single serving of the Kroger Greek yogurt in the strawberry flavor. Then I picked up the huge Greek Gods Greek yogurt traditional plain yogurt. The meal plan calls for a lot of plain Greek yogurt with fruit. Just picked up this pesto sauce to put with my pasta. I actually usually haven't been a big pesto fan or like girl, but I don't know, I just never really used it. But I actually had it on something this past weekend when I was out of town and I really liked it, and it was in the meal plan, so that worked out. And then lastly for produce, so really quickly, I just got some shredded lettuce for my pitas for lunch. Then I got this petite medley gourmet potato, so it actually called for like these like new potatoes, but I thought the medley was kind of cool, just like the different colors and stuff. So yeah, I picked up those. Then for protein, I just got this pack of 5 chicken breasts. I like these because they are very thin, easy to cook when they come like the pre-packaged sort of situation. They're like individually wrapped. And I find that they are like less messy in your refrigerator. So I always get the 5 individually wrapped pack. Then I got some fresh salmon, which I will probably cook tonight. This looks so good. So excited about that. And then for like veggies and stuff, I picked up 3 sweet potatoes to eat with my dinners as like a starch option. 3 bell peppers, yellow, red, orange. I love bell peppers. I literally could eat them with anything. Then I picked up 3 apples, like I said, just to have as like a snack with fruit and stuff. Asparagus is one of my favorite green options for a side, and same with broccoli. I love broccoli, and it called for a lot of broccoli in the meal plan. And then lastly, I just picked up an avocado because I love making avocado toast. So that is everything, guys. I know, a ton of stuff, and I'm sorry if this took forever, but I wanted to show you guys everything. Like I said, I love watching grocery hauls, and I know all of us have like that new year mindset of like eating healthy and everything like this, so hopefully it gave you some ideas. And if you are interested, definitely check out the Tone and Sculpt app. This is like not sponsored or anything at all. Such good workouts and obviously a great meal plan. You can make substitutions. It's not too expensive. It's not calling for like weird ingredients that you can't find at your local grocery store. If you are looking for something that tells you exactly what to do in your gym workouts, exactly what to eat, when to eat it, how much to eat, customized calorie counts and macronutrients, definitely check out this app. I have been loving it so far, and I'm excited to like see where it goes. But anyways, yeah, so that is what I got at the grocery store. So today is Thursday, January 10th, and I am going to try to do a full what I eat in a day today. So for breakfast, it is about 8 a.m. and I just went ahead and made some toast with a little butter and 2 eggs. So this breakfast is very simple, but one of my favorites because I love eggs and toast. So I'm very excited about this. And then for a snack later on today, I'm going to be eating this Think Thin high protein bar. These are the creamy peanut butter. I actually really love these. They're so good. And they are keto friendly. So if you are someone who is doing keto or wants to, this is keto friendly. So I love that. And then just an apple along with that. This is just what the meal plan recommends that I'm on: a protein bar and apple for a snack after breakfast. Like in a couple hours, I will eat this as well. So puppy number 1, what are you doing? Huh? You taking a nap? You're not sure what I'm doing? And over here, we have puppy number 2, who is all sprawled out and snoring. What are you doing? Are you enjoying your nap? We have to get ready to go to doggy daycare. You want to go? Doggy daycare? Yeah, let's go to doggy daycare. Winston, you want to go to daycare? Come on, let's go to daycare. So I forgot to show my lunch, which I'm so mad at myself because I swore I was going to show you guys everything I ate. But for lunch, I literally had a pita. So let me show you. So for lunch, I had one of these pita pockets. And basically, they're like super, super, super thin. They're only like 90 calories, I believe. Yeah. 90 calories, and basically in order to like stuff these, be sure you heat them up in the microwave for like 10 seconds and then you can stuff them. I made mine the night before and stuffed it, put it in the fridge, and then at work today I just heated it up and it was great. In mine, I kind of did what they have going on here, sort of. I put lettuce, chicken, and then I just put a little bit of cheese and buffalo sauce. So that's it. And then I also took a serving of Skinny Pop. So you guys probably saw this in my haul portion of the video, but this is just the Skinny Pop popcorn in the butter flavor. Guys, it is so good. It literally tastes like movie theater popcorn, and it is literally 43 calories per cup. I had about 2.5 cups, so a serving size is about 3 1/4 cup, but all that would fit in my Ziploc baggie was like 2.5, so that's all I took, and it was so good. So yeah, that was my lunch. Sorry I didn't show you guys before I ate it. I just don't even think about it while I'm at work. And then I just got back from the gym. I did about an hour and 10-minute workout. It was leg day, so I wanted to have some protein after. So my real protein, which is underneath, like that I mix it myself, didn't come until today. So I bought these Ensure Max Protein Nutrition Shake. This is basically all my grocery store had that looked decent. And they're actually pretty good. Like, I got mine just the milk chocolate flavor, and honestly, it's not bad. So I just drank one of these after my workout, and yeah, it was pretty good. So I feel like that's great to replenish my muscles and everything after a workout. But what I really wanted to show you guys is my protein that just came in the mail today. I'm covering up my address with my hand, but I'm going to open this for you guys and show you what I got. But I get all of my pre-workout from this brand, and I absolutely love them. It is just Alani Nutrition. First of all, like, look at this packaging. It is so freaking cute. It's like this mint color with the orange. I just love it. Such cute packaging, guys. OMG. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, this packaging is so freaking nice. And anyways, here is what I got. So it's just a large jar of their whey protein in the flavor blueberry muffin. So I'm very, very, very excited to try this. I wanted a flavored protein that I am not going to get tired of. So not like chocolate or like birthday cake, like cake batter. That's like the typical ones you see. But blueberry muffin sounds great for like breakfast protein shakes. I don't know. I'm really excited to try this out. So I will let you guys know what I think of it. But yeah, I mean, the macros are decent on it. 23 grams of protein for 1 scoop. So that's, I don't know, pretty average, maybe a little less than average. But yeah, so I'm excited about this, and I love this brand. Like I said, I get all of my pre-workout from this brand, and I love them. So definitely excited about that. Here is my dinner for tonight. Again, not the best like presentation, but basically it is just whole wheat pasta. So I used this brand, the 100% whole wheat penne from Simple Truth. And then I just added some shrimp. So you can see these are just little frozen shrimp that I got from Kroger, and I just thawed them and heated them up in a skillet. And then I just used pesto on it. Yeah, I think this looks really yummy. And I actually did 2 servings of the pasta because I was low on carbs and calories tonight. So this worked out perfectly. And yeah, I'm really excited to eat this. Very, very simple dinner. It took me like 30 minutes tops, and that was mostly just like getting the ingredients out, prepared and everything, and waiting for the pasta to cook and the shrimp to thaw. So very easy, simple recipe and great for macros. So okay guys, so that is going to be it for the what I eat in a day video and this entire video. So thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like these kinds of videos, like healthy grocery hauls, what I eat in a day, and whatever, while I'm on the Tone and Sculpt app meal plan and workout plan, then let me know if you would like to continue seeing them, because I will definitely film them if you guys are interested. So let me know in the comment section down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.